Good morning, all of you. Today we have gathered here to discuss on the importance of English language in our career growth. English is one of the most widely spoken language. It helps people to communicate easily around the world.
Good morning. I think English is very important because it is an international language used all over the world.
Yes, you are quite right. English is an important language in education purpose, and many books are available in English language.
That's true. English helps us to communicate with the peoples from different countries and culture.
English used during job interviews. Good communication often create a strong impression.
I agree. Most professional interviews are conducted in the English.
Yes, this year students are understand English properly and they expand their ideas clearly.
Moreover, many people's research papers and online classes are only taken in English.
Many universities use English as the medium of instruction for higher education and etc.
Exactly. Students who know English can study abroad and explore better career opportunities.
Yes, English is also useful in interview session and they create new ideas and share their ideas clearly, fluently and confidently.
In today's digital world, English is used in technology and businesses.
English boosts our self-confidence and express our idea and helps to express our idea clearly in the meeting.
That's right. English improve our personality and professional image.
Yes, you are right. English is also understanding instrument and they also supporting the online learning.
English is not only about for the exam, but it improves our successful future.
Many international companies use English for emails, presentation, reports, and etc.
Yes, many people come from other countries meet. They also talk in English.
Yes, understanding English is not only useful in technology but also reduce communication skill in business idea.
Therefore, English is often to be called a global language.
Not all professionals need English. It helps in our modern career.
Can you give me some examples?
Yes, global languages also connect the globally issues and they also doing the cultural awareness.
Doctors need English for their medical juniors, and engineers use English for their technical documents.
Professionals need English to connect with global customers and investors.
Many students feel
Pass the mic. In new English media, they create a new idea and they also understanding in boarding school.
Letters and profiles are only written in English.
Good communication skills create a strong impression and image in front of others.
Many students feel nervous while speaking English.
Yes, speaking English is also build up our confidence and fluently.
Everyone mistake very time, but the key is to keep the practicing.
So we should try to learn and speak English every day. Regular practice helps to improve our confidence and fluency, etc.
The speaking English is a valuable skill in today's digital world.
The group discussion is only the one of the ways to improve the fluency.
English plays a major role in professional career. It helps to people to achieve great success in our career. Thank you.